we're just gonna have to create original content, and it doesn't have to be that serious.
So just film myself.
Just film like little bits, and it's once, twice a week to start, 3 times a week.
I think I'm gonna shoot it on my iPhone.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, problem number 1. I don't like my arm out like this, so my plan is to put it on this tripod thingy mabobber. But the only problem is that I got a little phone holder, but it doesn't go on here. So I need to get something that, like, I need a big high nut that can screw on, and then this can sit on that post like that. And then I put my phone on here.
I can feel it in my bones. I can feel you get weaker. You can hear it in my tones. You can feel it in the speakers, yeah.
If I get 2 of those and put them both together,
It should be. Yeah, screw one up, you can make another one.
thank you very much. Awesome. I got the nut and I got a bolt. I'm gonna thread these 2 together. I just have to go get my bolt cutters. They're at my old house, but that's a story for another time. So we're not living here right now. Something happened a few months back. Anyways, they're fixing it up for us. Pretty sure my bolt cutters are in here somewhere. There they are. This is the perfect example of why I need this thing. Then I don't have to lie on the floor to talk to the camera every time.
We still got the ball. It never left us. We still got the ball. It never left us. We still got the ball. It never left us. We still got the ball. Come on, say, we still got the ball.
Look at that. Look at that. Sweet. That's what I'm talking about. Welcome to the show.
We still got the ball.